your attention now to an interesting story that has surfaced just days after the end of Mahakumbh. A boatman, Pintu Mahara, was identified. Remember, he had a fleet of 100 boats and claimed that he earned as much as 30 crore rupees during the 45-day Mahakumbh. That's right. In fact, crores of devotees had taken the holy dip, with several boatmen working round the clock, taking the devotees to the Triveni Sangam. And according to the UP government, more than 1.5 crore devotees had taken the holy dip in the Sangam using these boats. So details came in of the huge amount of money in crores that he made. In fact, it had led to not just headlines, but even the Chief Minister mentioning it.
हमारे पास 100 से ज़्यादा नाव खुद मेरे पास है। और योगी जी ने जो कहा है, मुख्यमंत्री जी ने, तो उनका कहना सही है कि हमें महाप्रसाद मिला। और नाविकों के लिए जो कह रहे हैं वो कि नाविक जो है बड़े मतलब पैसा कमाए, उन्हीं का आशीर्वाद है, उन्हीं का सब कुछ देन है। योगी जी, मोदी जी का ही देन है जो आज इलाहाबाद प्रयागराज बन गया। अब प्रयागराज वाले सभी लोगों ने पैसा कमाया, बहुत खुश हैं। हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं, उनका महाप्रसाद मिला और हम लोग निषादों में बहुत पैसा कमाया। अगर योगी जी प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे तो इससे भव्य कराएंगे और इससे ज्यादा लोग आएंगे।
जो नाव वाले ने लाख रुपया 50,000 राखी ने देखे थे, वो देखे इतना खुश हुए हैं योगी मोदी के, ये क्या कहे आपके, इतनी खुशी है उनकी। आगे के जीवन अगर योगी मोदी रहेंगे तो बहुत आगे बढ़ेगा, बहुत आगे जाएगा। सब खुश है, इतना यहाँ से बता रहे हैं मेजा तक के मल्ला लोग सब खुश है। हम लोग इस बार कम से कम लाख रुपया तो आके जो देखा।
In fact, even Yogi Adityanath had hailed the family members and the boat rider. The UP CM noted that the boatmen were among the biggest beneficiaries of the 45-day religious event and highlighted how the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj had also provided significant economic relief. So, the opposition has now raised the issue as well, and the opposition has spoken up against it. So the Chief Minister had spoken about it. He had also mentioned the same as a success story in the Assembly. In fact, in breaking updates coming in, Akhilesh Yadav has taken a jibe at Yogi Adityanath. The SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav has challenged the state government's claim that a boatman earned 30 crore rupees and has demanded a probe into the matter and asked how much GST was received because of this. So Akhilesh Yadav has taken to Twitter for the same, and this is what he goes on to say. He has taken to social media. He says, why is the Honorable Chief Minister telling the success stories of others in the Mahakumbh? Does he not have the success story of his own in Mahakumbh? If he wants to talk about it, then he should tell the true story, but only if there is actually someone. In fact, he then goes on to mention this particular boatman as well. He says that details should be found out and then glorified. He goes on to say that he is a thug.
कुंभ में अखिलेश जी ने, हम लोगों ने पहले ही कहा था, नाविक वहाँ पे सैकड़ों साल से जो गरीब लोग हैं, जो सुबह शाम अपनी रोजी रोटी जुटाते हैं, तो चाहे वो काशी हो, चाहे वो प्रयागराज हो, उस पूरे क्षेत्र में आपने देखा कि महाकुंभ में नाविकों ने हड़ताल किया हुआ था। और मुख्यमंत्री जी जिस माफिया की बात कर रहे हैं, हमें समझ में नहीं आता है कि चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब को किसने वो कागज पकड़ा दिया कि एक हिस्ट्री शीटर, एक गैंगस्टर, उसका बखान प्राइम मिनिस्टर हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी कर रहे हैं। तो हमारे नेता श्री अखिलेश यादव जी ने, हम लोगों ने पूछा है कि भैया आपने जो पैसे कमाए हैं अपने दोस्त को, उसमें जीएसटी वगैरह भी लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा?
My colleague Adib is joining us on the broadcast with the details. So Adib, the Chief Minister had mentioned him as a big success story. He spoke about the economic progress that people of all strata had because of the Mahakumbh. But a controversy has broken out with the SP claiming that he is a thug, claiming that the story itself is false, and also asking what is the GST that has been earned. So take us through the charge that has been levelled by the Samajwadi Party.
Well, Pratibha, see, first of all, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath hailed this particular boatman of Prayagraj, saying that he and his family earned around rupees 30 crore in Mahakumbh, and it was the opposition leaders, those who were raising allegations that Mahakumbh is not going to bring any good to the people, but here in Mahakumbh, only a single person is earning rupees 30 crore in 45 days. So this is how Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath mentioned him during the assembly session, and now Akhilesh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party chief, he has taken a jibe on the BJP and the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, saying that they should clarify whether this man is going to pay GST in this 30 crore amount or not. And Samajwadi Party chief also claims that he's a thug, he's a mafia, and he even has a charge sheet against him in Prayagraj. So this is how the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav is now targeting Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath over his comments where he mentioned a boatman named Pintu Mehra in the Uttar Pradesh Assembly, and Akhilesh Yadav and the Samajwadi Party goes on to say that this Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath should clarify and should also take action on those officers who are trying to misguide Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath.
Okay, all right. Adeep, thank you for joining us with those details. Big controversy being broken out, and we're keeping a track of the developments there, and a response from the BJP also awaited on that. Quick break.